So I'm going to be cooking or baking these 2 zucchinis that I just picked from my garden, harvested, and then these 2 zucchinis that some lady gave my husband when he was fishing. And then this zucchini was store-bought. This was bought before these were ripe. So hopefully these are ripe, by the way. I don't know. I picked them. I may have picked them too soon. I don't know. I'm going to mix them with sweet potatoes and make them for my lunches this week. Okay, I totally forgot to film me mixing everything with olive oil and salt and pepper in a mixing bowl, putting it in the oven, but my hands just had so much crap on them, so I've baked them. They're just cooling down. And then I'm going to put them in here for my lunches for the rest of the week. So I just have it in these little bowls. I'm gonna let them cool down a little bit, and then I'm gonna put lids on them and put them in the freezer for the rest of the week.